If you are not ready to spend on adverts as a business owner, you are joking. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to run Instagram adverts as someone that has run Instagram adverts consistently for years. Let's jump right in. To run Instagram adverts, what do you need? You need a phone or a laptop. If you have both, good job. You need a Facebook account, so you can be able to create your Facebook page. You need an ad account. Ad account is where you pay from. You need money to run adverts. It's not free. Uncle Mark is not a nice person. You need the grace of God to make it convert, because you can do your best and it's not going to convert. You need God. Yeah. Let's jump right in. How do you run Instagram adverts? So on Instagram adverts, I'm going to be using my business page, business account, to show you the simplest way I run Instagram adverts. Before you run your Instagram adverts, important things that should be on your page. Highlights. Come to highlights and put reviews of your customers. Either you believe it or not, people would come and they would check these reviews. Just make it full to an extent that people can see that you save no small. People are buying from you, how much they love their items, how satisfied they are. If you have a video, put it. If you have screenshots, put it. Unboxing video, anything you have. This is a video, live video of a customer unboxing his item with his mouth and saying how much he loves the item. Chakam, I don't put down for them. Another unboxing plug, don't play. This is another unboxing. So make sure, try your best. Someone popular mentions you on their story, chakam, don't play. Can you see? So this is one of the important things to do. This is the first time I saw it on TikTok. In case you'd like to run TikTok adverts that convert and you don't want to stay on Instagram at alone, I am your girl. Send me a DM on Instagram, saying, let me plug you. Now you can run TikTok adverts that will convert to sales. So moving on. So make sure this place is filled with reviews. So when I come, it helps me to trust you to a certain level, right? Then make sure the face behind the brand, if you are comfortable showing your face. Let me check if this is recording. If you are comfortable showing your face, let the face of the brand shows. Let's know you, let's see you. It goes a long way for some people. You could collaborate with other vendors, so it's not only you on your page. You could like this is a post I made. This person is my friend though, but I met her on Instagram. Actually, we met in one of the vendors group page and we became friends. Have pictures of your products taken with a phone. Can you see these pictures are taken with phones? Similar background. Don't use chinko picture. These things will affect how much your advert will convert, either you like it or not. For me, I do not pay influencers a lot, so I make sure my page, I'm the influencer of my page. My fine face is everywhere. I have fine face, first skin. I did put down for everywhere. Right? If you are on Instagram advert, you come to Instagram. If your account is a business account, you see this boost post like this. I think they're even doing it for creators account now, even personal account. You can see boost post, right? Click on boost post. So you see, what do you want people to do when they see your advert? Do you want them to visit your profile, your website, message you, or mix of action? When people visit your profile, they tend to see other things that you are selling apart from the product you promoted. Okay, let's say you sell shoes. You run adverts for shoes. I see a shoe I like, then I click on your advert, it leads me to your page. I can buy that shoe I like, then I go through your page. I also see a matching bag, then I will buy the shoe and I'll buy the bag. Makes sense, right? Yeah. Then, so most times profile visit actually do works. You get following, you get sales. You are not limited to selling that product you are advertising. It's just like killing two birds with two stones. No, using one stone to kill two birds. I say killing one bird with two stones. Please. For websites, if you have a well optimized website, you could try website SEO. Messaging. Messaging is an expensive ad option. It's very expensive actually. Because if you are running an advert and I say that I have to message you, I would not want to message you. Why? Because you did not keep money in my hand so that when I see your adverts, I will now message you to buy. You are not doing a job contribution in my hand. I could see your page and I plan to buy from you next month. I could see your page and I want to buy now because I have been looking for that item. But it is not always like that. I even need the item now, but I'm waiting for my salary to drop. I'm waiting for YouTube to pay me by this now. The money YouTube is paying me. I have plans for it. Like, okay, when YouTube pays me, I'll do this, I'll do that. Like, I'm not seeing your advert and you're not in my budget. I'm not your mommy. I'm not your sugar mommy. That's on a light note anyway. So what I'm saying is messaging you means I need to take action now or by now, or I just waste your time. So you could run a messaging advert and you've spent 5,000 naira. Only one person messaged you, and even that one person did not buy. You might need to like maybe 5 people to message you before you make a first purchase. And how much is your profit? So if you're Udogu, you can do messaging ads. But one thing about messaging ads is it's quite more expensive. Profile view is more cheaper, right? You could also do a mix of action. I've not tried this before, actually, sincerely. Right, so most times I do profile visits. Moving on, you click on next.
Kindly like this video as it tells the algorithm this is a good content and push it out to more people like you that needs to see this content. And it's also a way of telling me thank you, while you also put your thank you in the comment section. I appreciate you too. Thank you.
Now, these are options of adverts options I've used in past times. You can create your own audience. I could turn off this advantage audience. You can turn it on or turn it off. Advantage audience, in past times it has worked, but I feel like it just works for a while, then it stopped working. So I stopped it. But you could try it actually. I've gotten sales from advantage audience clause. And I think I did a video sharing my experience. You could look out for the video and watch. So this is saying that advantage plus audience find people most likely to improve your results in real time. While it's on, we won't show your advert to anyone outside of your selected location or minimum age. So that means you can put it on if you want. You will not show your advert outside your location. You could also try broad targeting. You could also do a detailed targeting. So at the end of the day, you have to try all these things. Well, at the end of the day, you have to try out all these things with broad targeting, advantage audience plus, detailed targeting, and you see what works for you. Because actually, what works for people differs depending on their line of business. What works for you may be different from what works for me. Okay. Click on location. If you are in Lagos, for instance, pick Lagos. If you are in Canada, you have to pick Canada location. It's non-negotiable. So pick the location of where you are in and other locations where you can deliver to, or other locations where you feel that people there would need your products or your service. Are into service business, people anywhere in the world can buy your services. Like my TikTok ad course, how to run TikTok adverts. I have people in UK in their course. I have people in Canada got the course. I have people in Nigeria. It's not limited to location, right? Even though I'm not even running adverts for that course. I want so that is not limited by location, right? So if it's a service, run a service to everybody. If it's a service you can deliver to everybody, like if you're a makeup artist, you have no business running adverts to UK, because people in UK, they will have to think about the expenses of booking a flight for you and all that, and they want to prefer, except if you're a celebrity makeup artist. So always go for town or city. Pick location. Now this is the updated stuff. Which more people likely to respond? Should also show your heart to people interested in your selected cities and region in those countries. Okay, so I can put Lagos, I put Abuja, town or city. Then let's say I put Ibadan. If you're in UK, you can put UK. If you're in Canada, put Canada. I just figured that the recording had stopped. Oh my god. And I already got to budget. Okay, I think I've explained this part. Visit profile. Next. Okay, budget and duration. For budget, always try with something affordable, right? And when the advert works, you scale it up. You can split your budget into three. Let's say you do advert one is a detailed targeting. With detailed targeting, you pick your own audience, you pick your interest, you pick age, you pick location. You do advert two is broad targeting. With broad targeting, I have a detailed video on broad targeting somewhere on my page. Age, you pick location, but you leave the interest blank and let the algorithm do its thing. And you could also do advantage audience plus. Pick budget, as if you are Uncle Tony's cousin, is 30 million a day common way. I'll be 130,000. 30 million. Ṣé nǹkan ṣáwọn Instagram ẹ fẹ́ wá 30 million a day? Àbí? Okay, 1 million ló máa jẹ́. Okay, 13 million kan 1 million. Okay, you can spend 1 million naira daily if you want. Then you click on next. I'm not going to click on next because if I do that, the advert will run. I do not want to run the advert. If you found this valuable, tell me thank you in the comment section because it took time, energy, and efforts to do this. Say thank you, Deborah. I love you and God bless you. Yeah. Ever heard the adage, do not put all your eggs in one basket? Yeah. As someone that has run Instagram ads for years, even though this video is about how to run Instagram ads, I would strongly advise you to try running TikTok adverts. I have a course where I share how to run TikTok adverts that convert into sales. Even if your budget is low, 2,000, 3,000, 1,500 in a day, you can run TikTok adverts. Instagram adverts is now on the high side and kind of expensive, and you need a lot more money to run adverts that will give you more results. If you put half of that money on TikTok, you get more leads, more contacts, more following, even more sales. So to get access to the course, send me a DM on Instagram, Deborah Oluwaseun Roselyn. It costs 25,000 naira. Send a DM on Instagram to join. I have this playlist where I share different content that would help you in running TikTok adverts, staying on TikTok, content ideas, how to run the advert, my own experience in running the advert, budgeting, TikTok guidelines so that your account is not taken down, and all that good stuff. Click here, watch, and enjoy. Thank you for watching, and I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye, guys.